How to fix Instagram crashing on iPhone? Here are some simple fixes you can try. First, force close Instagram. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause. Then swipe up on the Instagram app to close it. Now, open the app again. Next, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix temporary software glitches that may cause Instagram to crash. Now, check for an Instagram update. Open the App Store on your iPhone, tap your profile icon, and install any available update for Instagram. You should also make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings on your iPhone, tap on General, then Software Update, and install any available updates. If Instagram is still crashing, try offloading the app. Go back to Settings again and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and tap on Instagram. Then select Offload App. Then again, tap on Offload App. This removes the app but keeps your data. After that, tap Reinstall App. If the problem continues, delete Instagram completely, reinstall it from the App Store, and sign back into your account. Finally, check whether Instagram is experiencing a server outage. If the servers are down, the only solution is to wait until Meta fixes the issue. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions fixed Instagram crashing on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.